everyone, this is Shubhangi from collegedecor.com and today we are in Bhopal. Spectrum Bhopal came into being in the year 2010 as a joint venture initiated by 3 engineers who conceived it with a vision to create masterminds who can crack the most challenging and rigorous competitive exams in the stream of engineering. So if you are an engineering aspirant, then we invite you on this exciting journey to this coaching giant of Bhopal, Spectrum. When and how was Spectrum born?
We thought we should do something different and we started this Spectrum in 2010 July around. And in the last 5-6 years, we have produced so many results in different competitive exams. Definitely we faced a lot of competitive environment, also new coachings come in, but still we have managed to give good competition to the national level institutes who are already established for last 15 or 16 years at Bhopal itself.
When is the right time to start?
हमारे यहाँ 9th onwards crowd आता है because the coaching caters to the students for competitive exams and school curriculum. Major crowd of course coaching में 11th onwards 10 to 11th promoting students का रहता है जो JEE की preparation करना चाहते हैं क्योंकि JEE का जो syllabus है इसमें 11-12 का course पूरा involved होता है.
Spectrum follows a strict selection criteria for not only its faculty but also for its students. Each faculty member has to go through a crucial screening process and even the applicants are required to clear the selection criteria, which includes a written test, a demo lecture and a final round of personal interview. One of the main USPs of Spectrum Bhopal is that it offers a scholarship for its different batches based on a written test. Why Spectrum? Spectrum study material.
We provided excellent test pattern test series and we also provided very good study material and I can proudly say that we all 3 have made this study material so good that it might be in the best in the market.
Spectrum teaching methodology.
Once students get a basic idea of the subject, that particular topic, they goes through basic sheet and gets confidence in that particular topic or particular chapter. After finishing that, they gain confidence and they are able to solve some advanced level problems definitely. So in this way, that stepwise improvement takes place, and this feature is not available in any other coaching institute across India, I can say.
Spectrum counseling aid.
If they have got any doubts, queries, the rector sirs are always available to help the students out with their doubts, to solve their queries, to meet the parents and give them more comfort level regarding what are the services that we provide. One major development that we have done this time is that we have started providing demo CDs. So that gives them a very natural and a very good idea about how the faculties teach, how friendly their approach is and how much they are catering to the basics of the students.
Bhopal has gradually become one of the education hubs of the nation. With the growing number of coaching institutes, colleges and universities, students have many options to choose from. Spectrum, the brand.
स्पेक्ट्रम इंस्टीट्यूट में फैकल्टीज़ तो बहुत पुराने हैं ही, साथ ही हम लोग ब्रांड पब्लिसिटी प्रमोशंस मीडियाज़ के थ्रू करने के बजाय माउथ पब्लिसिटी पे ज़्यादा वर्क करते हैं. सो माय ओल्ड स्टूडेंट्स, दे आर एक्चुअली अवर ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स.
So if you have your eyes set on top-notch engineering colleges, then here's not one, but many reasons for you to take a closer look at this training center for future engineers.